So the sensor is of three types, right? And the actuator can be, or the actuator was in that system, could be an electromagnetic actuator, or it could be a piezoelectric actuator. Anything which applies force on the mass. These were the main components of the control system. And the interesting thing is that in most of the control system, these are the major components: the plant, the control variable, the sensor, and the actuator. And of course, the brain, the controller. The controller, as we have discussed, is the logic which decides the action to be taken. For example, as I discussed in the last class, you have to decide that force has to be applied in which direction and how much force has to be applied. So that has to be based on some logic. That is the controller, the brain of the control system, right? Okay. So since these are the major components, and as a student of control systems, we assume the knowledge of the mechanics of the system, that we know how the system behaves, we know the system equations of motion, we know the system dynamics. What we are interested in is finding the effect of controller, the actuators and the sensors on the control variable in this course. So we try to put all these things in the form of block diagrams. I think I ended my last class saying